7, 8, and 9 tell us to simplify our ratio of multivariate polynomials. Ratio, again, just tells me I have a fraction. Multivariate, there's more than one variable, and we've got polynomials up there. When I'm simplifying this, basically all I'm doing is reducing it down. I'm looking to see of all of my terms, what are my greatest common factors. So I'm going to look at my numbers first. I have a 4, I have an 8, I have a 12. All of those are divisible by 4. So I'm just going to reduce them all down by 4. This is going to cancel out, this is going to become 2, and that's going to become 3. Then I'm looking at my u's. I've got a u to the 6th, a u to the 5th, and a u to the 3rd. My greatest common factor there is u to the 3rd. You always do the lowest exponent because you can't take out more than you have. When you divide that out, you subtract your exponents. So here, 6 minus 3 would give me u to the 3rd. Here, 5 minus 3 would give me u to the 2nd. And here, 3 minus 3 cancels out. Now, even though I have w and x's, I don't have that in all 3 terms, so I can't cancel any of those out. So my final answer here, my first term, I'm going to have u to the 3rd, w to the 4th, plus 2u squared x to the 6th, and on the bottom, just the 3. So number 8, if I'm going to simplify that fraction, I'm going to divide out my greatest common factor. So 15, 9, and 9 are all divisible by 3. So I'm going to reduce all those down by 3. 3 goes into 15 5 times, into 9 3 times, and into that 9 3 times. Look, I don't have w's in all 3 terms, but I do have y's in all 3 terms. I've got a y to the 4th, a y, and a y to the 3rd. So my greatest common factor there is, what was that? 2. Can I take 2 out of a y?
No.
Nope.
Oh, just a 1.
It's just the y. So if I have 4 here, 1 here, and 3 here, I can only take 1 out of each term. So 4 minus 1 would give me y to the 3rd. 1 minus 1, that's going to cancel that y out of there. 3 minus 1 is going to give me y to the 2nd. So my first term, I've got 5. I've got that little w smushed in there. Y to the 3rd. Plus my second term, just have the 3 left. And on the bottom, I've got a 3, u to the 4th, and y squared. So 5wy cubed plus 3 over 3u to the 4th y squared. Oops, throwing that on the floor. So number 9, I'm going to simplify that. What can I divide out of 9, 15, and 9? 3 again. So, I'm going to divide that. I get 3. Here I'm going to get 5. And here I'm going to get 3. Then if I look at my variables, what can I take out for variables?
X.
Just an x. There's an x in all 3 terms, and x to the 1st is my lowest exponent. So if I take x out of here, I get x to the 3rd. The x out of there, it cancels out. And the x out of there, I get x to the 2nd, subtracting 1 off of each of those. And so my answer is going to be what?
3w x to the 3rd over 5u to the 4th minus 3x squared.
Exactly. So 3wx cubed over 5u to the 4th minus 3x squared. So just reducing it down,